Be patient. In the first 48 hours is free.
Okay, so right now, the Commissioner of Health is saying we have had provision that the first
48
48 hours
is free.
no matter whoever the person is, whether you're a rich man, a poor man,
Yes.
a laborer, or even whatever.
Yes.
Then the medical service is free
For 48 hours.
For 48 hours.
After that, if you are registered with Hatchma or NHIA, then they can continue from
So
there.
if we are part of our medical insurance,
Yes.
then you fall into that. Okay, so thank you very much. So now what am I going to do?
You will sit down and have the headphone. Yes, so that will have
So what the call I made?
Yes, sir.
The call I made.
Hold the number. Hold the number. Kira number da wayanka.
You not come to my headphone, right?
Zaka dauka.
No, it is one that comes through.
Hello? Afternoon. Yeah, you're talking to Commissioner. Which area? Moraduko? So, we'll quickly send you an ambulance. Okay, we'll send it to you in the next few minutes. Thank you very much. Thank you.
These are the numbers for the ambulances.
For all
this one, number 13 is for
Right now, if you try to